Now let me move on and talk about some of the things that the database does behind the scenes to keep your engine well oiled, the automated maintenance tasks. In your container database on root level, we have a maintenance window. By default, we have maintenance window every night, and in the weekend, we have a longer maintenance window. Actually, in the weekend, we have several smaller maintenance windows, but for simplicity, I'll illustrate it here as one big weekend maintenance window. In all the PDBs in your container database, we have a similar maintenance window, and by default, they start at the same time in the weekend, and they run until the same time at the end of the weekend. When the automated maintenance task starts, when the maintenance window opens, you will see that only two PDBs will run maintenance at the same time. The container database, in order not to deplete its resources, will ensure that only two PDBs are doing maintenance at the same time. If you want to allow more PDBs to run maintenance at the same time, there is a parameter that you can change. If we set it to 3 in our case, it means that now 3 PDBs, all PDBs in this case, can run the automatic maintenance at the same time. You just need to ensure that you have enough resources on your system. So if they all do gather stats on huge tables, it shouldn't deplete your system from resources. If you want to use your resources widely, if there is one PDB where you decide it doesn't really make any sense to do automatic maintenance. If it is a test database or a database that you scratch every day, why do you care about automatic maintenance there? You can simply disable automated maintenance. There's a parameter that you can change, and then the entire maintenance window will be shut for this PDB, and you can run maintenance in other PDBs instead. Another option you can do is to shift the maintenance window and adjust the duration to something that makes more sense in your organization. Coming back to the example, by default, we have the same maintenance window in all our containers. Well, we can move things around and we can find better times. We can change the window and the duration so we have a much better fit for our system. Another option is that you can go down in one specific PDB and selectively disable certain parts of the automated maintenance. Again, if we have a test database, do we really want to run the segment advisor or the evolve advisor? In some situations, it doesn't make any sense, so why not use the DBMS Autotask admin interface to disable it for such databases?